Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Exorapad token. Now this token is about to start their pre-sale soon. This is a brand new token, ticker symbol EXP. This is the first AI powered launch pad on Xrpl ledger for top tier innovative projects. And I can put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here at Exorapad on X. And then they have their Telegram and their webpage linked right there. Their webpage is where the pre-sale is going to be. It's going to be an initial coin offering on their own webpage. And you can see how brand new this project is. Their Twitter just joined March 2025. They already have 3,148 Twitter followers. So we're going to go over the information on the Exorapad token and the pre-sale and talk about how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, introducing Exorapad, the first artificial intelligence integrated launchpad for real-world assets, DPINs, and premium tier projects on the XRP ledger. So it is designed to provide investors with early access to RWAs and decentralized physical infrastructure DPIN projects by integrating AI-driven insights, predictive analytics, and a robust due diligence framework. Exorapad ensures that only the most innovative and credible projects receive funding. With Exorapad, users can access premium tokenized investment opportunities while project owners can launch and raise funds efficiently in a trustless and transparent ecosystem. So, Exorapad aims to bridge the gap between innovative real-world projects and capital by leveraging artificial intelligence and the efficiency of the XRP ledger. We are committed to democratizing access to funding for sustainable, impactful projects while providing investors with carefully vetted opportunities. Now, the key features, number one is secure and efficient XRPL-powered transactions, instant, low-cost, environmentally friendly transactions, immutable and transparent on-chain data, built-in decentralized exchange for seamless asset swaps. Number two is staking and tier-based participation. So Exorapad employs a staking-based tier system to provide exclusive access to tokenized asset offerings. Higher staking levels unlock priority access, higher allocations, and premium investment perks. Number three is project onboarding and vetted process. So comprehensive due diligence before project launches, smart contract audits to ensure security, community-driven governance to validate and approve projects. Number four is token sale models. So public sales, open to all eligible investors. Private rounds, exclusive early-stage investment opportunities for high-tier stakers. Staking-based allocation, so guaranteed token allocations for long-term platform supporters. And lastly, number five, governance via decentralized autonomous organization. So Exorapad operates under a decentralized autonomous organization. Token holders propose and vote on new projects, protocol upgrades, and key ecosystem developments. Community governance ensures a fair and democratic decision making. So why Exorapad? Well, harnessing the power of AI and blockchain, Exorapad removes the barriers to invest, providing equal opportunities for both seasoned investors and emerging innovators. Whether you're launching the next breakthrough DePIN infrastructure, tokenizing real-world assets, or a top-tier project, Exorapad ensures trust, transparency, and efficiency at every step. So they have the AI-powered risk assessment and predictive analytics for project viability, automated fraud detection and contract analysis to prevent scams and security breaches, AI-driven insights to help investors make informed decisions based on comprehensive market and historical data analysis, fast, low-cost transactions using Xrpl's native capabilities, AI-powered investor matchmaking for optimized investment opportunities based on personal risk profiles and market trends, a smart staking system with tiered participation benefits that reward long-term holders, fixed total supply of 100 million EXP tokens to ensure scarcity and long-term value. Staking and governance incentives encourage active participation for investors and community members, and decentralized governance via the Exorapad DAO, allowing community-driven decision-making on platform updates and fund allocation. So they chose the XRP ledger for the incredible speed, minimal environmental impact, proven reliability, transactions cost less than a penny, built-in decentralized exchange, native tokenization capabilities, and then they integrated AI into that as well. Now, this token here, how it's split up, like I said, there's 100 million tokens. We got 40% of the tokens going to the public sale, the initial governance offering, 20% the ecosystem fund, 25% staking and pool rewards, 8% goes to team and advisors, and 7% goes to the DAO treasury reserves. Now, this token here, it's on the XRPL blockchain, ticker symbol EXP. You can get the pre-sale at their webpage, exorapad.com, which is linked right there on the Twitter. Now, it's not available yet. If you click on buy, it says to be announced, so it doesn't have the exact date yet, but they're going to have a countdown on their page soon. I saw this pre-sale advertised in a news article, so they're marketing out the pre-sale now before it starts. But if you follow the Twitter, if you follow the Telegram at Exorapad, they're going to announce soon when the pre-sale starts. Then there is a how to buy section right on their webpage. You would just follow the easy steps on the page here, set up your wallet, buy XRP, and then purchase EXP. So they have all the details, how to participate in the Exorapad presale right on the page there. Really easy to follow those steps. The only thing is you just have to wait for the presale to start. So let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.